In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell dropshipping products using Wix eCommerce. If you're looking to dive into the world of dropshipping and want to use Wix as your platform of choice, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through the essentials, from setting up your online store to managing your orders effectively. First, let's get started by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login information. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to select your e-commerce website to get things rolling. Next up, it's time to add your products. Navigate to the Store Products section and click on Add Products. Here, you have the option to add a physical, digital, or service product. While you're adding a product, make sure to fill in all the key details such as the name, description, and price, as well as the SKU. Don't forget to include images and specify any variants like size and color. Once you're satisfied with how your product looks, be sure to hit save. Now, to keep things organized and user-friendly, it's a good idea to manage your product categories. This can be done by navigating to Store Products and then to Categories. Creating specific categories for your products can really help customers browse your store with ease. You can either create new categories from scratch or adjust existing ones to suit your needs. Now, let's ensure you have a variety of payment methods available for your customers. Head over to Settings and click on Accept Payments. Decide which payment methods you'd like to offer. Choices include credit or debit cards, PayPal, Stripe, and even offline payments like cash on delivery. Make sure to connect these accounts securely by following the instructions provided. With payments sorted out, it's crucial to configure your shipping options. Go to the Settings section again and select Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can set your shipping regions, rates, and methods. Home delivery is an option too, and you can specify areas and delivery fees for local orders. Once shipping is set up, it's time to customize your store's appearance. Go into the editor and select Store Pages. You can personalize your store by editing product pages, adding eye-catching banners or collections, and tweaking fonts, colors, and layouts to align with your brand. Moreover, don't forget to optimize your store for mobile devices using the mobile editor, ensuring that all customers have a seamless shopping experience. After launching your store, managing orders becomes a critical task. In the Store section, click on Orders. Here, you'll be able to track the status of each order, whether it's pending, processing, or shipped. Use email notifications to keep your customers informed, and don't hesitate to issue refunds or manage cancellations as needed. Last but not least, make sure to keep an eye on your store's performance using Wix Analytics. Navigate to the Analytics and Report section where you can monitor vital stats like sales, traffic, popular products, and conversion rates. This data will provide insights into what's working and